Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You're ready. Confirm the WhatsApp phone number and the Google or iCloud account linked to backups, because backups match accounts. Once done, make sure WhatsApp has storage and contacts permissions so the app can read backups. Now open WhatsApp, tap Settings, choose Chats, then Chat Backup. Press the Backup button if none exists. This creates a fresh recovery point. You do this to ensure the file you'll find next is current and tied to your account. Next, locate the actual backup so you can restore it. This is why backups must match accounts. On Android, use a file manager to open the WhatsApp/databases folder and note the latest MSG store YIMMDD. 1. DB, crypt file. On Android Google Drive, open Drive, tap Backups, and confirm WhatsApp backup exists under the same Google account. On iPhone, go to Settings, your name, iCloud, manage storage, and verify the WhatsApp backup entry and timestamp. Finally, to restore, reinstall WhatsApp and verify the same phone number. This triggers the restore prompt that reads available backups. Choose Restore and wait until messages and media finish downloading. Do not skip the restore flow. If WhatsApp doesn't find a backup, make sure you're signed into the exact Google or iCloud account and the same phone number. If Android, copy the local MSG store file into /WhatsApp/database.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.